Internet Computer ICP holders, now is the time to brace yourselves because it looks like ICP is right now trading at the apex of this symmetrical triangle, which we have spotted in my previous ICP video, and this is the point of breakout of this symmetrical triangle, which is very massive because this will be the determining factor on which way ICP is headed to, and that is why in this video I bring to you guys what we can expect for the ICP price from here, what are the important levels to look out for as an investor, and also what are the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term. So you don't want to miss this update video I have for ICP. So right now we are inside the daily time frame for Internet Computer ICP, and yes, as you guys can see, we are still consolidating inside this consolidation pattern, which is a symmetrical triangle, which again can be either a bullish or a bearish pattern. It really depends on which way we could see ICP break out of, but we have talked about this in my previous ICP video. I gave you guys an early warning about this and also the levels to look out for, but right now we'll be reiterating the targets and also my current expectations. So yeah, look out for this one because this is going to be very massive. We could be expecting volatility for the price in the next couple of hours or days, depending on which way we break out of. If we do break towards the upside, that would be very bullish news for ICP, but a break towards the downside of the triangle would be bearish news. Right now, I will mention the targets respectively for this triangle. So first off, if we do see ICP close the daily candle above the triangle, then we are potentially looking at a price target right here, and that is at around $18.4. However, if we do see Internet Computer ICP break towards the downside of the triangle, we are potentially looking at a price target of $8.3. We're going to be moving towards the downside to $8.3, and that is if we do break below the triangle in the daily time frame. So these are the two levels to look out for this triangle breakout. Again, for the bullish scenario, we are looking at an ideal target of $18.4. However, there's also a chance that we may not reach the ideal target, but instead I'll be giving you guys the minimum target to look out for, and that is this previous swing high we had right here for ICP, and that is at around $14.5. So $14.5 would be the minimum target before we could see a pullback towards the downside, but the ideal target for this breakout is $18.4. And if we do see ICP, Internet Computer, break towards the downside of the triangle, then we are looking at the price target right here at $8.3 US. That is for the short-term target or short-term scenario for ICP. Now for the thing you all have been waiting for, what is my mid to long-term perspective for Internet Computer ICP? And for that, we would move to the weekly time frame. Now, as all of you may know, we are right now approaching the Bitcoin halving phase, and that would be very bullish for the entire crypto altcoin market, because once Bitcoin pumps, it would also drag the entire crypto altcoin market up with it, and that would be also bullish for ICP. So what are my mid to long-term targets for ICP? Well, I have mentioned this many times in my previous ICP videos, but right now I will reiterate it for you guys only. So yeah, my first minimum target is this level at $23, but in the bull run we could also see ICP pump towards $36.5. So these are my two bull run targets. Now as the bull run comes, obviously I may adjust the targets, but here are my conservative targets for ICP in the mid to long term. These are my conservative targets, but for that to happen, we still have to see ICP take out a couple of resistance levels, some minor resistance levels and some major resistance levels. So we have to take out resistance right here, and that is at around $14.2, and then we have to ultimately take out this next resistance at $15.7. And once we do see ICP successfully take these two resistance levels out, we could now proceed towards our bull run target our minimum bull run target of $23.7, and then our next target for the bull run would be $36.5. So these are my mid to long term expectations for ICP. Also, before you click away, you could actually qualify right now for a free $30 bonus. All you have to do is go below the description right now and sign up to Blowfin using my exclusive affiliate link and make your first futures deposit. Keep in mind, this is a limited time offer and you're competing against the first 200 people who sign up. All the details are inside my Discord server, so join the Swan group and take your $30 bonus today. So act now.